Hey, new product demo for you guys. This is the front end wire stripper, part number 61346. Handy tool if you're working a lot with different wiring and cutting wires. I like this tool because it has a couple different ways to adjust the way you cut. For example, this has how much wire do you actually want to snip off the covering of, right? So I'm going to put it at what looks like 10 millimeters, right? You take your wire that needs to be stripped, front end into the front, right at the 10-inch mark, the 10 millimeter mark I have, side there. You put it in there and just squeeze it. And then what that does is that cut it and that pulled off the covering, the plastic covering over it, right? So then you remove it and then boom, you can see that I've successfully stripped the wire. We have about a 1/4 inch of wire hanging out, so now I can go either install my butt connector or my ring terminal or whatever it might be. Super handy, super quick. I'll do the other one. You just stick it in, pop, bang. Plastic comes right off. Super easy tool. You know, it's nice because you don't actually cut your wire by mistake, right? If you get a different stripping tool, you might have to know the gauge of your wire. Am I gonna cut my wire, or am I just gonna get the plastic off? This was 16 gauge wire. Stripped it off just fine.